Hey guys, this is Caitlin from the online customer support team, and today we're going to be having a look at the new OZtrail Outback Cooker. So this is the version 2, it's just landed at our stores. It's already proven to be really popular, so we're going to have a really good look at it, take it out of the box, see what it comes with, and have a look at setting it up. Let's get started. Now this is a portable potbelly stove that has been designed for camping. So that means it's compact and it's lightweight. It only weighs in at just over 17 kilos and it packs down to approximately 48 by 39 by 36 centimeters. So it's easy to fit in your car or your ute and bring with you to the campsite. It has a drawbridge style door that locks and heat-proof glass, so it's really easy to monitor what's going on inside. Look, this is really user-friendly. It's not designed to be a rocket ship. It's got 3 ventilation points so that you can adjust the temperature, and that allows you to regulate what you're cooking. Now, this cooker comprises of steel and cast iron pieces, which means that it does get hot. The included lifter tool can be used to remove and place your cooking plates to keep your hands away from the hot fire. And of course, we do recommend using gloves. So straight out of the box, you're going to pull out your pot-bellied stove. You're also going to have your flat plate and your grill plate. And then if you have a look inside of the stove, that's where you're going to find the rest of the accessories, and we'll take a look at those now. So everything fits comfortably inside. That includes your grate plate, lid lifter, poker tool, and your detachable legs, as well as your 4 chimney pieces and the chimney back. So the first step obviously is to attach your legs to the main body. You just need to flip the cooker upside down, screw in each leg, and then flip it back the right way. You've now got a freestanding cooker so you can easily attach the rest of the accessories. So now you can pop your fire grate into the body. It is a little bit tight and you can see here how the 2 pieces fit together, so I found it easier to just pop them in and then push them together afterwards. The chimney base comes with the 2 screws and the 2 nuts required to affix it. You just want to pop it over the hole, put your screw through, and then you can secure the nut by hand. If you want it a little bit tighter, you can just do that from the outside. Now you're ready to assemble your chimney. If you do have any trouble fitting together any of the stainless steel pieces, you can just bend it back a couple of millimeters and then it should fit like a glove. There's no particular order in which these need to be slotted together, aside from the top piece that has the attached spark arrestor. Now that the main body is set up, you can pop on your grill and flat plate. These are of course interchangeable and there is a slot on each side. This gives you complete control over your cooking setup. If you'd like to learn more about the OZtrail Outback Cooker, if you have any questions for us, just pop into your local store, visit us online, or give us a call on 1300 836 896. Happy camping!